Hey guitar friends, this is Prokopis from String Systems. In today's lesson we'll see how knowing all the notes on the guitar allows you to move freely around the fretboard when improvising. If you want a fun step-by-step system to help you learn the fretboard, use the link below to get my free mini course called Fretboard Memorization Toolbox. So let's get started. I'm going to use a fretboard mapping system that I have developed called SFS, or the String Fragment System, to demonstrate how we can move around and play freely on the guitar fretboard using root notes. Let's say that I'm playing in the key of A using the minor pentatonic scale. I can take, for example, this group of string fragments and play it everywhere I want based on the location of the root note A. So for example, I can start my improvisation low here on the 6th string. Then maybe I want to jump somewhere very high, let's say on the A on the 3rd string, fret 14. Or maybe somewhere in the middle. Now, I'm not going to go into detail about how SFS works because the point of this lesson is just to illustrate one of the reasons why knowing the location of notes is essential. As guitar players, we like to use shapes, and usually we don't think about all the notes we are playing. But it's still very important to know where the notes are because we can build movable structures on them which allow us to navigate the fretboard and make our playing more interesting instead of staying stuck in scale boxes. I have a course called SFS Pentatonics where we use this principle to play every pentatonic fingering that can be played, and the results are amazing because instead of memorizing boxes, you can relate everything to the root notes, which helps you control the sound of your soloing. And at the same time, it allows you to move freely on the fretboard and jump to any position you want. In this next example, I will show you another idea. I will take the same lick and develop it by moving it to other areas of the fretboard. This time I will only use 2 string fragments, so this one is even easier. Let's say I start with string 2. Then I can take my phrase to string 4. And then close it off on string 6. You can't really do things like that, at least not easily if you think in terms of box scales. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much you can do when you can quickly locate notes on the fretboard. In the next lesson I'll show you more. For now, keep using the drills in this toolbox and you'll know the whole fretboard in no time. Hey friends, this lesson is part of my free mini course called Fretboard Memorization Toolbox. If you're looking for an enjoyable and quick way to learn the fretboard, I encourage you to get it by using the link below and start learning now. It's totally free and it includes the complete lesson series plus all the necessary backing tracks and musical drills. This is Prokopis from String Systems reminding you to enjoy your practice and be effective.